Hello everyone, welcome to MongoDB collection schema verification tool demo. So before giving you the demo, I wanted to let you know the context why we needed that particular utility. So we had around more than 120 collection, and then in those 120 collection, there were more than 2000 fields. So manual verification of each and every collection in case there is a data migration or in case there is a change in API was taking a lot of time, and there was a lot of confusion also because if somebody changed something, the QA was not notified. Even sometimes developers were not notified. Other developers were not notified. So with this utility, what it does is basically it takes the input as the database schema dump, which is given by database admin. And then based on that particular dump, it on the runtime creates the queries to fetch all the fields from the database, MongoDB database, which is this based on the environment, and then it compares the fields name as well as the data type between the data dump collection fields, and then uh, original or the current database details present in the MongoDB. So execution is pretty simple. Basically, you just have to use PyTest. Why PyTest? Because I had it some assertion also, but if needed, we can run it using Python also. So and the script, and that's it. Nothing else. So it will collect the test. Now it is actually reading the data from these dump. So dump file looks like this. This is a dump file, and then under that DOM there are collection, and then under collection there are fields. So it takes this input, create on the runtime, creates queries, and then see the execution happen. And it also tells you like out of those 100 and 102 how many I forgot. 120 collections, 36 test case failed, and generates a logger plus report file in here, which tells you what happened. So it basically two in one. It also gives you the details about the missing fields and as well as the logs. So there would be two possibilities. Some fields would be there in the dump DB, but not in the MongoDB. And some fields will be there in MongoDB, but not in the dump. So these details are mentioned here, and it tells you about each and every collection. So for this collection, there were fields in dump, but not in source DB, and the fields name were this. So using this information, we can easily identify that, okay, somebody made changes in this DB, and that's why the API schema is failing. So that is it. I hope you liked the demo. See you in the next demo.